everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix YouTube Vanced Not working using these 3 simple step-by-step methods. Make sure to watch the video till the end to fix this issue using these 3 methods. This issue can occur due to an outdated application or a damaged cache, although there may be other causes as well. To resolve this problem, I have for you some suggestions. So let's start with the first method. If you fail to verify your Google account within the application, you may encounter various errors. Therefore, you can eliminate this problem by logging out of your Google account and then logging back in. Access your device's settings menu, and after that, click on the Accounts option, then Manage Accounts, then select the Vanced Micro-G option and choose your Google account. Remove the account by clicking Remove Account. Once done, run the YouTube Vanced application and log back into your Google account to see if the issue persists. The second method. If there is a cache problem in the YouTube Vanced application, it can also cause errors. You can clear the data in the cache by opening the Settings menu, clicking on Applications, and selecting the YouTube Vanced application. Click on the Storage option and clear it by clicking the Clear Data option. After this process, run the YouTube Vanced application again to check if the issue persists. The third method. If the application is out of date, it may cause some features to be disabled or not visible. You can use the Vanced Manager application to resolve this. First, run the Vanced Manager application installed on your device, then uninstall YouTube Vanced and Vanced Micro-G respectively. After the uninstallation is complete, install Vanced Micro-G and YouTube Vanced respectively. Once the installation is complete, run the YouTube Vanced application and check if the problem persists. Bonus: if you encounter errors due to an unstable network connection, restart your modem if you have access to the internet via Wi-Fi. If you have access to the internet via mobile data, turn it off and on again to reconnect. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped you, and if it helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel.